Hi guys, just to mention I hate the shape of my lips. Well, all morning me and my sister have been outside, so playing on our scooters. There's a hopscotch and we both designed one of these. That one's my sister's, that one's mine, and yeah. So today, the cats are literally just there. So today, I'm going to be doing what's inside of my fridge. So guys, to start this off, the phone is in the fridge. Bye. Hello. Okay, wait, I'm gonna pretend that I didn't start this because I needed to just say that. So you ready? This is the intro. Hi guys, it's Family Bethany here, and today we are going to be doing what is inside my fridge. Okay, that was not the intro, but it was like an intro, but I had to say all the other stuff, so I wasn't going to do that anyway. Okay, so first we have garlic, finest garlic and herb sauce by Harrington's. Nice, I don't like that. Then we have some strawberry jam. Why am I speaking like that? Then I have some butter. Then I think they think this is chicken. Then we have some thick and fluffy crumpets. Yay! This reminds me of lemonade. I don't know what it is. Then I have multiple bottles of water. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of water. In the fridge, one of them's knocked over. Yay, great. Okay, 6. And then we have some cucumbers. Ow! She's trying to kill me. Okay, you don't want to be in the water bottles. Okay, that's on the first shelf, and I probably should put this back. Right now. Okay, so that's what's on the first one. Okay, now we've got a drawer. I don't know why I didn't do that first. So we have, oh yay. Ow, stop it, ow! She's biting me. What's that for? So there's a lot of diet stuff, well, healthy stuff, because I'm not healthy at all. I don't like this. Ignore the beeping, it's just the fridge. Italian salad. Yuck, wait a second, let me just stop it beeping. I may have to do that in another video, because no idea what this is, I think it's ham. What can you see? Yeah, it's ham. Then I have brown onions, ew. A tree! No, I'm just joking, it's broccoli. Blech. Don't like any of this stuff here. Some magnute tout. I have no idea what this is. Comment down below if you do know what it is, because I have no idea. Some baby corn. Some just normal onions. What's the difference between brown onions and normal onions? Comment down below. I don't know. Then we have some green beans. Nice. Then we have some tomatoes. Then we have some peanut butter, but I hate peanut butter, so this is my dad's. Whoa! Peppers! More peppers! Then we have a courgette, I think. And another tree / broccoli. Okay, let's finish in. Isn't it how it all was? This was that way. That way. Perfect. I'm very good at doing a Santa. Very quick. And that goes there. And wait a second, guys. I'm going to stop the beeping. Me again. Okay, now we're going to do what's in the side bit that you keep seeing. So we have a half empty bottle of water. Some red, what's the red milk? Skimmed milk. Ow! And then I have the green milk. The green milk's British Shepherd semi-skimmed. Don't know what that is. Then we have a 4.5 litre water tanky member Bob that dispenses water at the front of the fridge, but it keeps chilled in the fridge. Then we have some Vimto still. Then we have some, what is this? Garlic. Then we have some sour cream topping, ew. Garlic mayo. Then a Christmas light bulb. I think it's some sort of seasoning, I don't know. Get in! There we go. Then right at the very top, we have some cheese. But I don't like cheese, so I'm going to put that back now. Wait, comment down below if you don't like cheese or you like cheese, because I don't like it. Okay, then we have some tomatoes. Oh, it dripped on me. Ew, I hate tomatoes. Absolutely hate tomatoes. Then we have some breaded ham. I need to hurry up because I can't go in 10 minutes. Then we have some mixed flavoured yogurts and some eggs, but I cannot get them out. And then chocolate. Another half empty water bottle. And then this. Then some. Okay, I'm going to do part 2 to this. See you on part 2. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tune in for part 2.